In today's tech video, I'm going to show you the best free apps for your Insignia TV. Okay, so the first one that we're going to talk about here is Xumo. And as soon as you launch Xumo, you'll see that it looks like a TV guide channel where it's got different live TV options that you can select. And in the background here above the selections, you'll see that it's running a channel right now currently in the background. But as you can see, you just scroll down, there's some of the more popular channels that you might be familiar with, like NBC, ABC, and then right there's the History channel. It's got Deal or No Deal, Family Feud, so some of your classics, but this is all live TV. Now, the great thing about this is all free. You don't have to pay for it, so that's what I love about it. It's got the Today Show on there, but you just scroll down here and you'll see a lot of familiar, popular names and companies that you may be fans of, like USA Today or Time. Now, if you click over, we're on the live TV, and you click over to free movies right here, and then you'll see that Xumo has a selection of different kinds of movies. This first one here is the most popular tab. You'll scroll over and see all the different options that they have available. You go down and those are your most recently added, so they're always adding new content on there. Yeah, there's a slew of different options on here and for movies and live TV. And then if you click over again all the way to the sidebar and go to on demand, it breaks it up into categories here on the side. And we'll just pick one of them. For example, we'll go to TVs and movies. And when you select that, it breaks it down into genre. So as you can see that it's got, like Western movies over here. It's got horror movies for your horror movie fans right there. But yeah, you just go through there and it'll break it down into different types of genres on what you like. So this is Xumo. Okay, this next one that we're going to take a look at is Tubi TV. And I like the way Tubi TV is laid out. It does have like a little bit of a Netflix vibe, showing like a featured movie at the very top, and then at the bottom, or I mean right there in the middle, it does have all its featured films that that are real popular right now. So like Patriots Day, Pride and Glory, Escape Plan, some of the real popular ones. And you can watch these all for free. You can scroll down. They got a recommended section in the middle. They got a most popular right here with some of the very popular films of its time, like Black Cinema, Continue Watching, recently added. So Tubi has its own selection of movies that are very plentiful. They offer a lot. You scroll over here to the sidebar. It's got a home. It's got where you can narrow it down just to movies, or maybe you want to just narrow it down to TV shows. You could do that also. Maybe if you have kids, you can scroll up here to the kids section, and it's got its own Tubi Kids section, so kids can watch different types of movies that are more kid friendly. And then it's also got over here on the sidebar categories, so that way you can break it down into even more specific categories, whether it's anime or Enchanted Tales or Toon TV, even for preschoolers. So I think Tubi TV is another good one for you guys to check out. Okay, the next one we're going to look at is Pluto TV. Now, as soon as you launch Pluto TV, you'll see it does have a guide section here that you can choose from for your live TV. Up on the top corner, it does have what's playing in the background. It's a very clean and minimal looking setup as far as their guide goes. And you can just scroll down here and see all the different options that they have available. They do have a slew of different channels that you can choose from. There's an 80s rewind channel in case you're a fan of that, more country films and TV shows, cult films, cult classics, TV Land for some of the older TVs. It's got AMC on there, the big Walking Dead franchise, that's their flagship show. Baywatch. But yeah, you just scroll through there and there's a whole bunch of different options to watch live TV. And then also, just like the other ones, if you scroll over here to the sidebar, it does have free movies and TV shows. So we'll click on that and you can get a little glimpse of what they have available here. They've got a most popular section for their movies where they have like Shooter and Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. You just scroll over this way and you can see all the different movies that they are showing as their most popular. you can scroll down, and then they got TV series, so you can watch a whole specific series, maybe of like Three's Company or something. Yeah, just scroll over. You can see Walker, Texas Ranger. Maybe if you're a fan of the Jerry Springer Show or Third Rock from the Sun, but there's a different TVs. You scroll back down again, and then they have the new movies for this month. They're constantly adding new content as well, so you're never without any type of TV shows or movies to watch. Okay, so those are the best apps for this video here. I think that you guys can get some good content for those recommendations that I showed you there. If this video was helpful to you, go ahead and throw a thumbs up on it, and go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I would love to have you back in the next one. Take care.